Ani. Kenny Pheasant here again with our show Endaying. Today, well, this first video I'm going to be doing is types of rain. All right, and I saw a few people having a discussion about the types of rain on Facebook. And then, so I made a comment to them. I says, okay, you just gave me an idea for a video. So here it is. Types of rain. Okay. Bed bam da queda. Let's check the weather. Okay. So I'm going to be saying three questions: past time, present tense, and the future tense. Okay. And, but I'm not going to say it each time, like all the way through. Okay. Well, you'll get the drift of it here. Okay. Past tense. Anish gajagijagak jinago. Answer, rain. Okay. Gigmewan gua jinagua. Okay. We can use other words here too. Majabi sa or gabumbi sa. Okay. Majabi sa is beginning to rain. Gabumbi sa, it wasn't raining, but now it is. All right. So, gigamewan gua jinagua. Present tense. Anish eshagijaguk nangwa. Okay? And the word we're going to use is misty. Okay? Bisbi sa gua nangwa. Okay? It's misty rain. Okay? Okay, the next one. Oh, we don't like these. We don't like this kind of stuff here in the wintertime. Okay, but we have a word for it. Okay, Anish washigishgak wabang. How's the weather going to be like tomorrow? Okay, we komi bisa. It's going to be hail. Okay, hail tomorrow. Okay. Now, Anish gajagijagak jinagwa. How was the weather like yesterday? Okay. So, we can use this one again. Okay. Giniskajabi sa gwa jinagwa. It was nasty rain yesterday. Okay. All right. Anish eshagijagak nangwa. How is the weather today? Okay. This one, we're going to use pangbisa. It's sprinkling. Okay. Not really raining hard, but it's just sprinkling. Pangbisa gua nangwa. All right. All right. The next one. Anish wajigijgak wabang. How's the weather going to be like tomorrow? Okay. All right. We'll use this one. I couldn't find a better image like this. We tkibisa gua wabang. Okay, it's going to be cold rain tomorrow. Tkibisa gua wabang. All right. Now, okay, Anish gashigishgak jinangwa. How was the weather like yesterday? Okay. Gigi jobi sa gua jinagwa. We had a warm rain yesterday. Okay. Gi jobi sa. All right. All right. Now, Anish eshgijgak nangwa. Okay. And bonbi sa gua nangwa. It stopped raining today. Okay. And we're going to go back to that other one about starting to rain. Okay. Anish eshgijgak nangwa. All right. So, majabi sa gua nangwa. It's beginning to rain. Or gabambi sa gua nangwa. Meaning that the same kind of thing, that it's starting to rain. Okay. Or the rain has arrived. All right. So those are my little video I thought I'd put together about the types of rain. that we have. Okay, and I'm going to put another one, types of wind. All right. Okay, we'll talk about that on the next video. All right. All right. Miigwech gabzindo yek minuangoding. Wingazik sana.